Matin va. Matin va agus fáilte. Good morning and welcome. Hope your day is going well. Hai bria aan een menenju. Hai grianach is bla. Oh, hai ho bria. Ho bria. Gleva. Well, today we're going to take a look at letters that lenite. If Lenition has been confusing and a struggle for you, I think this could be one of the most important videos that you watch. Yeah. And it'll really help you just tune your accuracy when it comes to expressing yourself, speaking Gaelic, and writing Gaelic as well. Gleva. So we're going to take a look at the Gaelic alphabet, about Lenition, and then some more little grammar things sprinkled in the examples. So you'll get a lot out of this lesson. Gleva, gleva. That's my aim, that's my hope. All right, let's jump right in. So here we have the Gaelic alphabet. Yeah, there aren't as many letters as other alphabets. And actually there is H. We do use H, which we're going to see in a moment, but no words start with H in Gaelic. So that's why I didn't put it here. Okay, gleva. So let's just go down our examples here, seeing if they lenite or if they don't. So, Awain. Awain. It's a wee river. Awain. Yeah, gleva. Awain. Awain. There's sort of a W sound there. Awain. At least how I learned it. W sound. Awain. Awain. All right. Does it lenite or not? We have a 50% chance of being right. Does it lenite or not? No. Ooh. Vowels cannot lenite in Gaelic. They do something a little different in certain situations, but when we think of lenition, vowels do not do it. Whew. That saves us, a fair bit of work, I think. So, let's see Awain in action. We're going to have examples to help you really acquire these patterns of letters that lenite, so that you're not always thinking, wait a minute, does that lenite? Is that a... That slows you down and it stops you thinking in Gaelic. It can be useful in certain situations, but generally, I want your instincts to grow so that you just know, it just feels like this letter lenites, it feels like this one doesn't. And if you accidentally lenite something that doesn't, it feels weird. That's our goal. Yeah, instinct instead of, overthinking. Gleva. All right, Awain does not lenite. Ooh, maybe we could put that here too. Awain. Nope. Oh, geez. My red pen could use some help. Awain. Awain. Nice. Awain. Nope. No extra H's there. Here, let's put this in purple as well. Make it super clear for you. There we go. Awain. No lenition. I mean, it's spelled kind of weirdly, but there's no extra H. Gleva. Baga. Does baga lenite? Survey says yes. Yes. Baga does lenite. So let's see it. Ounce. Ounce vaga. Actually, you know what? Let's put both the H and the letter in purple. Maybe this will help your mind take it in better. Yeah, maybe it's highlighting something deep in your mind. Okay, ounce vaga, in the bag. Yep, there's lenition. Let's keep going. Cas. Have you come across cas before? Cas means foot. Oh, and baga means bag, in case you haven't encountered that yet. Yeah, gleva. Cas, it's your foot. Does cas lenite? Does C lenite? Yeah, it does. Okay, gleva. So an example, mo. Moas. We're not going to leave it like that. Gleva. Moja. Mojas. My foot. My foot. Gleva. And we'll have a picture of a foot. We always got to have some drawing, I think. There's a foot. Nice. Mochas, my foot. All right, coming down to D, doracha. Yeah, we're getting some really good, useful words to remember the letters in Gaelic too. Maybe your vocabulary will grow from this lesson as well. I hope so. Yeah, gosh, there's like so much in this lesson. This is awesome. Scania. All right, D. Does D Lenite? Yes, it does. Oh boy. Okay. So, an example of D Leniting. Gle. Goracha. Gle goracha. Yeah, gle goracha. Doracha means dark. So maybe it's really dark at night. Yeah, gle goracha. Nice. Okay, Eli. Does Eli Lenite? Does E Lenite? Nope. Nope. Vowels can't Lenite. Remember? A doesn't Lenite. E doesn't Lenite. Other vowels won't either. So if Eli's a really nice Gaelic name. Yeah, Eli. Eli. I always liked it. Eli. All right. If you're speaking to someone named Eli, or calling on them or trying to get their attention, how would you do it? You would just say Eli. Oh, Dilly, we need our purple. We need our code here. Eli. We'll have a speech bubble. There we go. Nice. No lenition, it's just Eli. Done. All right. So far, 3 Lenite and 2 don't. Let's keep going. Fylioch. Fylioch. It means January. Oh, Hamiagiri Jedak. Yeah, usually it's the January. Am Fylioch. Does F Lenite? Well, yes it does. Yes, it does. So, what's our example? Aunt son. Now we need perpi. Aunt sonulioch. FH is silent. Yeah. Aunt sonulioch. In January, or in the January, technically. This means in January. Gleva. In January. Aunt sonulioch. And traditionally, this was spelled with a T. Aunt sonulioch. Ilchoch. A little different. Yeah. I believe the modern spelling is with 2 L's, though. Yeah. Fylioch. Aunt sonulioch. Let's keep going. Garig. Garig. That's where I like to be these days. Garden. And this is actually an Old Norse word. This is a Viking word that has come into Gaelic. Garig. Does Garig Lenite? Does G Lenite? Yeah, it does. Okay. So, in the garden. Aunt sa. We need perpi here. Aunt sa garig. In the garden. Yeah, just like that. Gleva. We're getting a little close to our mouse here. I think that's where our Luchak here wants to go. If you saw that video, it's a good story. Yeah. This might be the last time our wee friend is on the board here. Yeah, maybe they'll be setting off, going to someone else's house. But the Leshen, I love the Leshen drawing so much. That's why he's been here since January. I'm very proud of it. Yeah, Gleva. Okay, coming back here. Isabel. Isabel. Isabella, you know, it's that kind of name. Really lovely Gaelic name, I think. Isabel. Isabel. So, Isabel. Does I Lenite? Nope. Remember, vowels don't Lenite. I, E, A, nope. Okay. So if we're talking to Isabel, maybe trying to get her attention or saying, oh, hello, hello, Isabel. What do we say? We just say, Isabel. Names that start with vowels are so great in Gaelic. They're just so simple, so straightforward. Yeah, they're not complicated. Gleva. All right, Isabel. Coming down to L, limach. Limach, kind of a fun word, zesty a little bit. It means a lemon. The fruit, lemon. Limach. Do I have it? I don't think I have a yellow pen at the moment. Wurscht. Ah, well. We'll survive, I think. We'll survive. Let's see. Does L Lenite? Nope. It does not. What's our example that we could do with the lemon? With the lemon? Maybe in a recipe you add something to the lemon juice, or... Yeah, why not? Leish an limach. L, just L on its own. There we go. With the lemon. Leish an limach. That actually sounds really, that flows really nice. Leish an limach. Leish an limach. Leish an limach. Really nice. Leish an limach. Very pleasing when I say it. Yeah. Cool. Sounds kind of poetic too, because the L sounds. Yeah. And I'm just saying with the lemon. Gaelic sounds epic, and I think epic and poetic and beautiful, and you know, you could be saying the most regular things. Okay, let's keep going. So L does not Lenite. M. Does M Lenite? Yeah, it does. Do-do-do. Gleva. If you've watched my videos, you definitely heard me say that. Gleva. Heck, if you've been learning Gaelic for any length of time, you know, if you've encountered Gaelic, you've probably seen that already. So you already knew. You already knew. Gleva. Gleva. Oh, geez. You know, whatever. It doesn't need to be perfect. It's okay. It's okay. Whew, got the lesson over there. It's okay. Naher. It's a snake. Maybe you saw that video in my foundations course. Snake. 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 Does N Lenite? No. Okay. Not everything Lenites. That's pretty good. What can we do with snakes? Some of these are a bit, I don't know, a bit unusual to put in these ways. Although, I mean, it's okay. It's not a big deal. With the snake, maybe you have a pet snake and you're putting in things for them to sleep in and kind of hide behind. So putting in some things with the snake, maybe. Yesh an naher. Naher. All right, and we got to have our naher here. Something like that, yeah. Snok. Eva. Okay, kind of abstract. Oper. Not everyone's favorite word. Oper, or opeth in some dialects. O, can O Lenite? Nope. Nope, because it's a vowel, right? O can't, E can't, I can't, A can't. None of those can Lenite. In some situations, the sound will soften, but that's not part of this video. That's not part of this video. Oper. What could we do? Oper. At work? Hami ikan oper. My work. Let's do that. Yeah. Gleva. Nice. Because it doesn't Lenite, it just stays O. That would be really hard to do. Add a H sound. O. Moper. Gleva. Mopeth. My work. That little M means my. Like mochas, same word. My, mo, Nice. All right, so far, we have 6 that do not Lenite. We have 6 that do Lenite. So we're breaking even so far. This is great. Wonderful. Here, let's make some room. Pardon me, mouse and Leshen. Okay, so we're coming to our last 5 here. Paul, P. Does P Lenite? Yes, it does. Yep. Ounce a fall. Ounce a fall. And what does Paul mean? Maybe you haven't come across it yet. You know what it is. You've encountered it before, but maybe not recognizing what the word is. It's mud. Mud. Paul. Paul. Ounce a fall. In the mud. Yep. Gleva. All right. R. Does R Lenite? No. So we're still even here. Gleva. Gleva. Rochcha. Oh, this means frozen, by the way. Frozen. And it's where we get that word rochchak, ice cream. It's like little frozen thing. That's what it means. That's what rochchak literally means. Rochcha is a really good description word to use, yeah. Especially if you're in a place that has freezing winter. Oh yeah. Rochcha. Gle. Rochcha. Very frozen. And you can use this as a way to talk about being very cold. I'm very cold. Oh, hamigle rochcha. There are many ways to talk about being cold. Yeah, you could use that as one. Or maybe you're getting ready, preparing dinner. Well, thinking about dinner and okay, got to take something out of the freezer because it's very frozen. Hamigle rochcha. It's got to defrost all day. Yeah, for example. All right, S. Does S Lenite? Yeah. It does. It does, yep. All right, so Seamus, right? James in Gaelic. So talking to James, like, oh, hello, James, or how are you, James? Or trying to get his attention, you know, how would we do it? If you've seen the video about calling on people, about using people's names, you probably remember. All right, so it does Lenite. There we are. A Hamish. Yeah, there's kind of a sh sound at the end now. A Hamish. This is where we get the modern name Hamish, spelled with an H. Straight from Gaelic. Gleva. So, if you're calling on Seamus, you're talking to Seamus directly, trying to get their attention. Hamish, hello Hamish, matin va Hamish. Yeah, so the SH makes an H sound. Yeah, Gleva. Nice. A really good way to remember it, because your chances are you're going to interact with someone named Seamus. So a Hamish, talking directly to them. Oh, and this is one of my favorite words, taingel. Taingel. Starts with taing, which means thank. This is thankful, like grateful, thankful. Yeah. Yeah. Hami taingel. I'm thankful. Hami taingel. Does tea Lenite? Yep, it does. So, very thankful. That's what we're going for right now. Very thankful. I am very thankful. Hami gle hangel. Gle. There it is. I'm very grateful, very thankful. Yeah. Gleva. And then unyak, our last one here, unyak. You've definitely seen one of these today. You might be sitting near one. It's a window. Yeah. Okay. Does U Lenite? U is a vowel. Vowels don't Lenite. Nope. Nope. Unyak. So what's an example to help us remember it? Ikan unyak. At the window. Like sitting at the window. Or standing at the window. At the window. Ikan unyak. Nice. No H. All right, let's count them up really quick. A hin, a ya, a tri, a keher, a koik, a shia, a shach, a hoch. All right, so we got 8 that do not Lenite. A hin, a ya, a tri, a keher, a koik, a shia, a shach, a hoch, a nui. 9 that do Lenite. And really, when you think about it, that's not bad. You could say half of the letters in Gaelic do not Lenite. Gleva. Half the work that you would have to do otherwise. Yeah. It's just knowing which ones don't Lenite. That's the trick. Yeah. Rewatch this video as many times as useful to you. Take these down on like a little note. Maybe put it near your computer or somewhere where you'll see them. Or if you have a notebook you use for learning Gaelic, writing new things in it, this would make a very wonderful addition to it. Really important one too. Personally, I like putting them on a sticky note, a post-it note that's colored so that so my eye sees it very quickly instead of, going page, 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 page. But if you like doing that, by all means, just a suggestion. But yeah, putting these in your notes, the letters that Lenite, the letters that don't. Gleva. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Really nice to see you today. Nice to enjoy some Gaelic with you. Do a little bit of drawing. Have a bit of fun and grow your Gaelic instincts. All right, Gleva, I'll see you in another video.